Tape www.suividécole-au-sénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, ladies and gents. Good morning, dear students and dear followers. Here we are today in École of Senegal to continue our class in second. And as you know, we have dealt almost with all the lessons you should see in second. And now we are going just to do some exercises, do much more revisions, and then study some texts to help you to understand and to prepare for your exam and composition. So I propose today some exercises on as revisions in if clause and all tenses. Okay, so we are going to think about these two exercises, and after I will give another exercise for after these two, and it will be the end of our class of today. So 3 exercises are enough for our revision of today, and next time we will do other things also. So today the first exercise is about if clause. Fill in the gap with the correct form of the verb. Okay, use the correct form of the verb. So here we have the first sentence: if you not like this one, I bring you another one. So you have here one means if clause first type. So we are going to complete this sentence with if clause first type. Whenever you see a number 1, 3, third type, second type. Okay, 2, second type, third type, first type, second type. Okay, so of if clause. So what are you going to say here? If you say first type means the first form of if clause, it means if plus present simple and plus will. Okay, so here we have if you not like. What should we say? If you, let me take a chalk, red chalk. So we say if you don't like this one, I will bring you another one. So this is the first type. You have the negative form, not like, so you should say if you don't like. Ordinary verbs, we use auxiliary do to put the sentence in the negative form. Okay, you should know this now. So if you don't like this one, I will bring you another one. So if clause first type. Second sentence, if the verb is to know that I visit you. Third type. So what should we say here? You should say if. How do you build the third type of if clause? The third type is formed with the past perfect plus would plus have plus the past participle of the verb. So you have here, they ask you here to put the sentence in if clause third type number 3. So you should say, if I had known, the past participle of know is known with n at the end. If I had known that I would have visited you. I would have visited you. So here you have the past participle, and here you have the past participle before you have would plus have plus past participle. Okay, so if I had known, I would have visited you. So if clause third type number 3. The next sentence says, I not drink that water if I be you. And you have to at the end of the sentence. It means if clause second type or second form. So what should we say here? If you have to build a sentence with if clause second form, what should you say in this sentence? Then you should say, I not drink. Another remark here, you have an inversion here. The place of if is in the middle of the sentence. So sometimes we can inverse the sentence and you have the change the position. You don't have the if in the beginning of the sentence, but you can have it in the middle of the sentence, as it is the case in this sentence, you see. So you can say here, if I not drink that water, if I that water, so say I wouldn't drink that water if I were you. I wouldn't drink that water if I were you. So with if clause, you have were in all subject. Okay? In all personal pronouns, you have were. Okay? With if. It is the case also with wish. You see? So you have were in the second type of if clause, or in the simple past. You have I wouldn't drink that water if I were you. Okay? So if clause second type. If we, fourth sentence, if we have more rain, our crops, okay, faster. The verb is to grow. So what should we say here in this sentence? If clause third type. If we had more rain, our crops would have would have grown faster. Would have grown faster. So you have if clause third type. Okay, type number 3. So you say if we had had more rain, our crops would have grown faster. If you paint the holes white, the room be much brighter. What should we say here? Type number 1. So you say if you paint, doesn't change. If you paint the holes white, the room will be much brighter. Okay, the room will be much brighter. Good. You have here number 6. You not have so many accidents if you drive more slowly. So what should we say in this sentence? It is if clause second type. If you not have, you wouldn't have so many accidents if you if you drove more slowly. Okay, if you drove more slowly. So if clause second type. What you do if you hear the alarm. Second form also. What would you do if you heard the alarm? Okay, what would you do if you heard the alarm? So you have here if clause second type. Would do if you heard.
Je suis vu d'école au Sénégal.